Hi, my name is Filza Zahira binti Zakaria.
Hi, my name is Kasim Maya.
Hi, my name is Suri binti Shaizal.
Hi, my name is Sofaika Sumaya.
Hi, my name is Farah Hamiza binti Mahai.
Hi, my name is Sharifah Nazira.
And our product name is Ecobin for food waste in college cafeterias.
I'm going to talk about food waste in college cafeterias. Food waste is a major issue in college cafeterias across Malaysia, including dining halls, food courts, and campus cafes. The main sources of waste are leftover food on student plates, over-prepared meals, food that spoils before being sold, and food scraps generated during meal preparation. Overall, Malaysia produces about 70,000 tons of food waste every day, and college cafeterias contribute significantly due to their large student populations. Addressing food waste in college cafeterias is important because it benefits both the environment and the community. By reducing food waste, we can decrease the amount of waste sent to landfills, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and maintain a cleaner campus. It also helps reduce waste management costs, making campus operation more efficient. In addition, it encourages students to adopt sustainable habits, such as taking only what they can finish and practicing proper waste segregation. Most importantly, reducing food waste conserves valuable resources like water and energy while supporting the Sustainable Development Goals, especially SDG 12 and SDG 13.
So this is our Ecobin compost mockup, a simple yet innovative solution to reduce food waste and produce natural compost. It is made using a recycled plastic container, making it affordable and environmentally friendly. The compost bin includes a PVC vent pipe with drill holes to improve airflow, which speeds up the composting process. A layer of mesh netting separates the compost from the liquid. Overall, the Ecobin mockup is easy to build, easy to use, and suitable for homes, school, and small gardens. And it encourages sustainable waste management while promoting recycling and environmental awareness.
So I will explain how our Ecobin works in 9 simple steps. So first, food waste is collected from the cafeteria instead of being thrown into the regular trash. Next, all non-biodegradable materials like plastic and metal are removed to avoid contaminating the compost. Then, the food waste is placed into the Ecobin. After that, compost soil is added to provide beneficial microorganisms for decomposition. Next, an EM solution, which is an effective microorganism solution, is sprayed to speed up the composting process and reduce bad odors. The lid is then closed properly to maintain the right condition and keep pests away. And the mixture is stirred once a week to improve airflow and help microorganisms to decompose the waste faster. And the waste is left to decompose naturally over several weeks. And finally, the finished compost is collected and used as organic fertilizer for plants.
I will explain the business potential of our product, the Ecobin compost system. Our target users are college cafeterias, school canteens, small restaurants, and food stalls because these places produce a large amount of food waste every day. The estimated cost to produce one Ecobin is around 65 ringgit, including the plastic container, PVC pipe, mesh netting, compost soil, and EM solution, and other materials. To promote our product, we will use 2 marketing strategies. First, we will advertise through social media platforms such as Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to reach more customers. Second, we will organize environmental awareness campaign and workshops to educate people about composting and encourage them to use Ecobin. The estimated production cost is RM65 per unit, while the selling price is 90 ringgit, giving a profit of 25 ringgit for each unit sold. This makes Ecobin an affordable, profitable, and sustainable solution for schools, cafeterias, and small businesses.
Now, I would like to explain the sustainability and environmental benefits of our Ecobin compost system. First, our system reduces food waste by converting cafeteria food scraps into useful compost instead of sending them to landfills. This helps reduce the amount of solid waste generated on campus. Second, it provides environmental protection. When food waste is dumped in landfills, it decomposes and releases methane gas, which is a harmful greenhouse gas. By composting the food waste, methane emissions can be reduced while creating a cleaner and greener campus environment. Another important benefit is that it produces organic fertilizer. The compost can be used for campus gardens, landscaping, and green spaces. At the same time, it reduces the need to buy chemical fertilizer, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Next, I will explain the long-term sustainability of the Ecobin compost system. First, the system has a continuous supply of raw materials because college cafeterias generate food waste every day. This ensures that there is always enough organic waste for compost production. Second, the Ecobin has low operating costs. Composting requires very little energy and maintenance compared to other waste treatment methods, making it affordable for long-term use. Another advantage is that it is a self-sustaining system. The compost produced can be reused within the campus for gardening and landscaping, creating a closed-loop waste management system where waste is recycled into useful products.
So in conclusion, I'll be explaining about our role, division, and contribution. The role for Sofaika is team leader and business analyst. Farah Hamiza is design leader and sustainability leader. Kasih Umara is the sketcher and storyboard artist. Suri binti Shahizam is solution designer. Filza Zahira is problem analyst and researcher. Lastly, myself, documentation coordinator. So next, for meeting log, we have 4 meeting log in total. The first one is via WhatsApp group. The second one is on our mid-semester break. And the third one is 7 June 2026. And the last one is 21 June 2026. So this is on our second meeting, which is via Google Meet. So lastly, the conflict resolution. The first one is difficulty in choosing suitable materials that are strong, lightweight and affordable. How we resolve it? By selecting a cost-effective materials and reuse available resource to reduce project costs. The second one is ensuring the eco-waste bin was stable and durable during assembly. How we resolve it is we reinforce the structure to improve the bin's stability. The third one is difficulty fitting all components together properly. We made adjustments to the design and measurements during the assembly. Lastly, differences in opinions regarding design structure and functionality. How we resolve it by conducted group discussions to vote for the best idea. That's all from us. Thank you.